Along with the entire crypto market, the value of XRP is also falling. The fall is the result of many factors that are not only leading the crypto market to fall, but the financial system is also on the verge of collapsing. This stumbling financial system is in need of support, and Ripple XRP is going to be the one. Join us in today's video to find out how and why XRP will replace the current financial system of the world. But before we get to it, welcome back everyone to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where you get your daily dose of XRP. If you like the content, do give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can know every time we upload a new video. Now, without any further wait, let's get to the video. The crypto market is facing a major crash. On Friday, Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency of the market, fell as much as 10% to a 6-month low of around $38,000. It had previously plummeted to $37,704, its lowest level since late July and early August 2021, before recovering some of its losses. The world's largest and oldest cryptocurrency has dropped more than 20% in the previous month, falling well below November's all-time high of over $69,000. In the meantime, Ethereum fell 12.4% to $2,788 on Friday. It has dropped 30% in the last month, falling from a record high of about $5,000 in November. XRP dropped 10% in the last 24 hours, reaching a low of 68 cents. The price of XRP has been trapped in a wide range since August of last year, which has been frustrating to monitor. The price of XRP is currently on track to test the December low of 62 cents, with the goal of 50 cents. Meme coins aren't immune to the carnage either. Dogecoin is down more than 10%, and Shiba Inu was down more than 13%. According to CoinMarketCap, the collapse resulted in a total market capitalization loss of more than $205 billion for the entire cryptocurrency market in just 24 hours. Many wild hypotheses flooded the internet to explain the drop at the time, when crypto supporters are discussing whether the crypto market has entered a bear phase. Crypto supporters point to the Fed's interest rate hike, Wall Street, and Russia as the main causes for the massive crypto market crash. As per the sources, the Nasdaq index has dropped about 5% since Tuesday morning, and after the close of trade on Thursday, it has officially entered correction territory. All of the main indices were lower on Friday morning. According to Cointelegraph, market pundits also believe the growing correlation of Bitcoin with the equity market could have fueled the crash earlier. Because of ETFs and institutional investors, BTC has become more intertwined with the equity markets. The cryptocurrency market has been swaying in a lockstep with Wall Street. Another theory that seems to have gained traction is a recent report from Russia's central bank, which calls for a total ban on crypto mining and trade. The Bank of Russia, the world's largest central bank by landmass, has encouraged the local authorities to put a blanket ban on all cryptocurrency ventures on Russian soil. It claims that digital assets are similar to a pyramid scheme, that they weaken monetary policy sovereignty, and that they pose a threat to the local financial networks. Other than Russia, which is one of the top 3 Bitcoin mining countries on Earth, Pakistan also shares the same intentions. The State Bank of Pakistan proposed a total crypto ban. It said last week that Bitcoin and other altcoins are unlawful, can't be used to facilitate trade, and can be used to fund terrorism and money laundering. The third reason for the market crash is the U.S. Fed's inflation measures. Consumer inflation in the United States has reached new highs, and the Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, is expected to announce fresh interest rates at its meeting on January 25th to 26th. The Federal Reserve is anticipated to rise interest rates 3 times this year, with increments ranging from 0.25% to 1% by the end of the year. Many market analysts believe that rising inflation fears combined with the Omicron surge triggered a sell-off on Wall Street, which then spread to the crypto market. However, that's not all. When the United States Consumer Price Index data revealed that inflation hit 7% in December 2021, climbing 0.5% month over month, Bitcoin's price soared to roughly $44,000 as a result of the announcement. According to Cointelegraph, Bitcoin was volatile prior to the announcement, fluctuating by over $2,000 from lows of $41,000 to $43,000 on Wednesday. Upon release of the figures, the price continued its upward climb, touching $44,000. This then resulted in the increase in XRP and other coins. We had previously discussed that the value of XRP depends on the lawsuit, the market conditions, and the value of its peers. An increase in Bitcoin further resulted in XRP rising. However, the market fell again. The major reason for this is the inflation. It is very much clear now that the financial system is crashing. According to Steve Forbes, the Fed has announced that come spring, it will no longer be adding to its holdings in government bonds, which means higher interest rates than ever, the Fed anticipates. And that's bad news for the economy and the stock market. The result will be a major financial crash, but as we can see, the increase in Bitcoin after the inflation news speculates that cryptocurrency is going to take over the financial system. XRP is the most likely candidate for this. It is the most secure and stable currency. It can be monitored and help to stop money laundering, a reason for most of the countries banning crypto. Where the financial system is crashing, the crypto market is moving toward regulations. The chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, talked about crypto regulation and the SEC's priorities in the virtual press conference recently. In the next months, Gensler believes cryptocurrency trading platforms will make efforts to become more directly regulated. Additional regulations of crypto trading platforms, according to the chairman, is critical for crypto investors to receive the same level of protection as they do when trading stocks or other regulated financial assets. The SEC's chairman said, "I've asked staff to look at every way to get these platforms inside the investor protection remit. If the trading platforms don't come into the regulated space, it'd be another year of the public being vulnerable." After the crypto regulations, most of the exchanges will be eliminated. Here, Ripple XRP has a major advantage, as the company is under the lawsuit with the SEC. A win for Ripple will make the XRP the only fully regulated cryptocurrency in the market. The lawsuit will turn into a massive advantage for XRP, leading the currency to take over not only the crypto market but the overall financial system. The banks and financial institutions are already moving toward crypto. Rio de Janeiro has also recently announced that it is going to invest 1% of its treasury in cryptocurrency. Not only this, most of the major banks of the world have invested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, and the remaining are also working toward this. The world knows that crypto is the future, and they are moving toward it. The majority of the banks are also in partnership with Ripple, either directly or indirectly. So when the switch will be flipped, all the banks will be under the Ripple umbrella, and it will be the leading financial system. Keeping in view the market, cryptocurrencies have been hit hard by macroeconomic factors and investors shifting risk appetites in recent months. If investors continue to remain risk-averse, cryptocurrencies may be in for a longer period of bearishness. Although digital tokens are frequently marketed as a safe haven from macroeconomic volatility, recent trading activity appears to be putting that theory to the test, and investors should expect additional volatility in the near future. According to the FX Street, the price of XRP has been one of the most boring, bearish, and disappointing of the year. Ripple has been plagued by anxiety, uncertainty, and doubt as a result of the U.S. clients being effectively barred from purchasing XRP and the SEC's ongoing litigation concerns. Any weakness in the broader market appears to have a stronger impact on XRP than on other altcoins. According to the CoinMarketCap at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 63 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.1 billion USD. XRP is down 11.84% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 8, with a live market cap of $30.3 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 47 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a great help to you. What do you think about the current crypto market crash and XRP to replace the stumbling financial system? Share your views in the comments section below. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.